What's going on? Good afternoon. Friday afternoon already. Guys, I can't believe the week went so fast. My goodness, did it go fast. What do we got going on here in the stock market right now? We got, no, that's Farmy up there in the top left. And why is that graph not the right size? We don't want that. We want AMC sitting up 2% right now, 2.32%. Shiba sitting at 29.06. Prog 192, and GameStop $136 per share. What do we got going on in the chat? Let me guess who is first before I even look. Let me guess. I know it was Frank. Frank, first in the chat as always. A Banana Gamer, almost like Doge Gamer. How you doing, man? Frank, Mr. Anything Tech, Mr. Anything Tech, Paul, Anything Tech, Hungry Chair, Paul, Frank, I Hate Apples in here, Pringleton in here as well, beating up old ladies on his days off. Julie Miller, hello to you. Quentin, Devil's Advocate, Frank, Donnell, Julie Miller, Pringleton, Wayne, I Hate Apples, Pringleton, Newfo's another one, Johnston Town's in here, man. Everybody's in here today. Quentin, what's going on? Battle for 23 for AMC. Let's go. Can we get it? Can we get $20? That's what we need to know. That's what we need to know right now. And you know how we're going to figure out if we can get $20 or not? We're going to do a poll. $23. We're going to do a poll. We're going to do a poll, I tell you. Call it. Call it now. AMC closing to 23 plus. Yes or no? Oh my gosh. Hold on. This is vibrating. We back? We back? Hopefully we're back. I don't know. Hopefully we're back. I don't know if we are or not. But if we are, good. I had to turn it on silent so you guys didn't yell at me. Johnson Town, what is your life like? There a prominent evil? Is there a prominent evil that you can't escape? I hope not. Johnson Town's a good guy. Johnson Town's a good guy. Click AMC Max Payne is 23. We're gonna have a fight, and they are not old ladies. Ooh, Pringleton, I'm ready. Let's go. What are we at right now? We are sitting at $23 flat. All right, $23 flat. Let's go right here. That's got to be 23. I think it's 23. I can't even tell. Like, $22.99. There. 23 bucks. This is the line, guys. This is the line that we've got to beat. Right here. I know we can do it. Let's get it. Nick F in the house, baby. What's going on, Silence? It is Silence now. $22.91. Pringleton or Newfo. Let's go. It's $22.91 right now. Yes, but let's go 23 plus. No, can't hear you. What? Dude, you guys got to be able to hear me. It's moving. Volume's moving. You guys got to be good. I know you can hear me. There's a little wild piece of hair right here. Let's fix this. Fix this wild piece of hair. Wow. What's going on with this hair, man? Come on now. All right, we're good to go. We're good to go on that one. And AMC doing just fine, sitting at $22.96 right now. Shiba sitting at $29.07. Prog 192. 192.5, and GameStop sitting at 136.28. Let's go. Gonna be a power hour battle. We got to get these options in the money. Really struggling to hold 23 now. Absolutely discouraging watching this garbage every darn day. Sorry. But it's really getting yeah, dude, it is getting tiring. I understand. I completely understand, Crypto Rocketeer. Nobody likes to see stocks struggle. But yeah, I always got to say, man, if it was just AMC coming down, I could get it. I understand. I would be able to, I don't know, I guess share in your pain on that one. But the fact that, I don't know, the whole market and crypto market are getting hit right now, it's going to be all right. We need a line. Some of the spirit of Johan, steeper. Gotcha. All right, man. I got you right here. We do need a line. It's a small line, dude, but we'll make it bigger. There. Purple. Purple's what we got on this one. Heck yeah. Purple's what we got on this one. We are going to be doing great going into the market close here. Let's go, AMC. Where's Johan at? AMC close 23 plus. What's the consensus between you guys right now? We've got 70% yeses. I like it. Steeper, Clay, bro. Steeper than that. Steeper than that. Don't stress over the time it takes for the squeeze. That time's gonna pass anyway. 1 year might feel slow holding and waiting, but 1 year not holding and missing it would go by just as slowly. Yeah, dude, it probably would. And then imagine the following years after that, how slow that would go, knowing that you missed out on the squeeze because you just didn't want to hold. That part would suck. 6 AMC equals 1 GME, and don't need no third grade teacher for that. Johnstontown. Yeah, man, who needs a third grade teacher to tell you 6 AMC equals 1 GME? Nobody. Was it just lagging there for a second? I got an excellent connection, but it looked like it was spinning. Hopefully that wasn't lagging. It says excellent connection. Oh, very weird. Jimmy lost $23 today alone after pre-market. Yeah, it was rolling last night after, what was her name? Sarah Needleman posted that story that GameStop is going to be getting into the NFT market. Now, clearly it was old news for us, but it was new news for everybody that was on the Wall Street Journal. So I think they kind of settled down on that, and the hype kind of faded pretty quick because it wasn't new news. So, given your line, you would vote over 23 yourself. Definitely, Pringleton. Definitely voting over 23, but it's breaking my line right now, and I don't like the fact that it's breaking my line right there. AMC close 100. JB, if AMC closes 100, I will give you $100. Deal. If AMC closes at 100, I give JB 100. Boom. Or is Pam the trader when you really need her? Johnstontown, where is she? Pancakes! If you're out there, come to us, please. Please, we need you. 70% incorrect. Oh, no. Pringleton, we are going to be correct, man. The 70% is going to be correct, not incorrect. 37 votes, holding at 70%. Very nice, guys. Thank you for the little poll exercise there. Appreciate that. Unfortunately, no. Dang. JB, let's go. AMC $100 close. $100 to JB. I'll accept the Chip Bro hoodie. Well, you can go ahead and do that too. I like that picture. JB's updating his picture once more. Looks like he's trying to be the masked investor there now instead of a unicorn. JB, all right, coming in here with the masked investor picture. I see ya. It's not enough money. 100. Well, dude, if it closes at 100, I give him 100. If he wants to close at 1,000, I give him 1,000. You know, it's fair. Fair enough. Wrench time. Nufo! What, time to clean up all the wrenches? Is that what you're saying? It's time to clean up all the blue wrenches out there? Save yourself money and just give JB $23 right now instead. I feel like I'd rather take the risk. I'd rather take the risk, Pringleton. For sure. Excellent connection. Lied to you. AMC Trapper, it must have, man. It must have. I got a green dot right here. I got a green dot that shows it's an excellent connection. And it says excellent connection next to it. And it was spinning. I don't know why YouTube's got to lie to me like that, man. I'm surrounded by Omicron over here, Clay. Send help! I've got you, man. I've got you. Anybody want to go help JB? My dude is surrounded by Omicron. And he's got the masked investor mask on. Somebody needs to go help JB right now, please. Nufo with a mask too. Very nice, Nufo. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Is the market doing anything? Oh, that's what I was doing before we started. That's what I was doing before we started. I wanted to refresh this page. Dang, man. I should have gone in there. That's for sure. No. We were looking at MetaMars earlier. 90%. MetaMars is 90% down right now, guys. Still not 99% down. If it was 99% down, we are going in, and we are going in hard. But it's only down 90% right now. We need a 99% decline. Technically, we could get another 90% decline tomorrow, too, and then add those together. And that would work, but that's not what we got right now. Anyone invest in inventors anymore? Dr. Artism. What do you mean? Anybody invest in inventors? 9 minutes, nobody mentioned Shiba. Oh my gosh, I hate apples. Dangerous! Except I did mention it, man. I mentioned the price twice. After all the times I've mentioned how terribly my work is for people with COVID and how little they compensate you, yeah, man, I'll come help. JB, Devil's Advocate's on his way, man. We got you. Hi, man. Remember when I told you BTC will drop first to 42, then 38, and obvious it will push down Shiba? It seems that Shib is holding strong. How far do you think Shiba can drop before spring? Marco, I don't exactly remember you telling me those 2 points right there, the 42 and 38. But it's tough to say, man. It's tough to say. So we are going to be talking about battling inflation at least through March, and then once March hits, they're going to be raising the interest rates, so we could actually continue to decline into spring. Now, knowing that, we do have a very strong level of support here on Shiba Inu coin that we established back in really early October, I believe. Really early October. Shiba's sitting here. See this level back in here. 2,800 points per coin, ranging all the way back down to 2,300 points per coin. So this level, very strong level of support. This is going to be the next, this is probably the next major level, like 2,700 points per coin, and then this 2,300 points. If we drop that, if this gets broken before spring, I mean, there's just no other technical support, man. There's no other technical support until you get back down to 1,000 points per coin. So I know that's like the cold hard truth there, but that is what it is. So I'm hoping that this level in here is able to hold up right in where we're at right now. I hope this level is able to hold up there. Let's see. Farmy rolling, very nice. Go back out to the customized graph. We're sitting at 22.97. It is going to be a very interesting battle for $23 per share today. AMC, let's get it. Hey, Clay from Portugal. E aí, Pedro? Eu não sabia que você é do Portugal. Mike. Ground ain't real. Mike, you almost got me, Mr. Latoris. You almost got me. But, Mr. Latoris, I caught on before I said the last name there. WTF, would you consider Prague if not a group of inventors? Individual inventors is what my guy was asking for. Any individual inventors in the chat right now. Pancakes is mod on Tony Donaro's channel, but he's not online, so who knows? He's been coughing on that. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer. I was hanging out in TMI stream last night. I wasn't live, but there was like a group of like 5 or 6, maybe 7 guys live last night, and Tony was one of them. He did say that he was feeling pretty sick. I'm not sure if he tested or not, but he did say that he had like a fever of 101. He was like taking naps yesterday, and he was live with them for, I don't know, maybe a half hour last night. So I don't know. I don't know if he's got something or if he's going to be okay or not, but he was live for a minute last night. He sounded fine when he was on the live stream, so hopefully he's doing okay. If he's not, you tell myself what's up. Hope he feels better. And I do not know if he tested. Can you tell me more about fun from yesterday? So, Freddie, not really, because I wasn't on the up and up. But, without, like, sparking some debate or anything in here. I know you guys are all mature. The word in the live stream yesterday for fun and DWAC was simply that during Biden's speech, Biden mentioned Trump or something like that. So people went out and bought DWAC and Fun and maybe a couple other stocks. So that was the word on the street, is that people were buying it. And I don't know if they were doing it to like spite anybody, but they were buying it because Trump was mentioned in that. Whales won't let it fall much more. Michael, and it might be true, man. Shiba Inu coin and a lot of cryptocurrencies are starting to look very cheap right now. So it might come down to whether or not the whales hold. But I'm going to tell you this right now, man. Okay, these whales, they might prefer safer investments during an interest rate hike. So they've got a lot of money riding in cryptocurrency. If you start to see some pretty high interest rates coming here, the whales could pull out, put into safer investments, and still rake in some pretty good money. They're not going to rake in as much money as they can just staking some of these coins. So I would assume that they are going to continue on staking crypto. But yeah, that's something you got to consider too. Hit the 22 like. There's 72 people in here. Hit the like button. Listen to Mark, man. Come on, guys. Hit the like button. What are you doing? I'm not mature. Hungry chair. Yes, you are. Come on now. Everybody in here is mature. Shiba Inu is a bit of a pump and dump, unfortunately, Clay. Or 5-year hold to double your money maybe, but doubling your money in crypto is hardly difficult. Well, Crypto Rocketeer, I think that you're going to see more than a double over the 5-year period. You are correct, though, okay? The long-term potential now for Shiba Inu coin is better than the short-term potential. I'm completely on board with you on that aspect. However, I do think that it's got more than a chance, like more than a doubling opportunity in the time frame that you presented there with the 5 years, especially as Metaverse grows, as these games grow, and assuming the development team and the people working with Shiba Inu coin continue to grow. It will look very nice in that aspect. Great. Best wishes from the UK, Claybro. Thank you very much, Mark. Appreciate that. Part 1. The speech was largely about the insurrection, what happened January 6th, which caused people who support Trump and things to get transpired, to get hyped and invest, and other people were reminded about their so-called manipulative social media and news outlets in regards to what supposedly led to all those events and the election causing people to invest. Either way, you want to take it. Good deal, man. Good deal. Yeah, see, I didn't watch any of that stuff yesterday. I didn't fill my head with any of it, so I didn't know. I didn't know what was said or anything like that, what was talked about, any of that stuff. Crypto Rocket, I think it's a good long-term hold, right? Just no point holding it now in the meantime without a movement. And Pringleton, that's correct, guys. There's a difference, and I want to make this very clear, okay? Because I know we talk a lot about holding and holding and holding, but Shiba Inu coin is not AMC. We hold AMC because we don't want to give the hedge funds any chance to buy these shares back. Now, that's the main reason I hold AMC, right? I don't want to be the guy that goes and sells my shares to the hedge funds. Even though in the grand scheme of things, like with 100 million, I don't own 100 million shares. So even if I did sell mine, it's not going to kill anything. Same for all you guys. But I hold them because I don't want the hedge funds to get them. So I hold them up, I hold them down, and so on. Shiba Inu coin is not on the verge of a short squeeze. It's not on the, there's nobody we're holding these coins from. There's nobody we're like stopping from buying them and anything like that. So it is a different style or a different strategy, I guess I should say, when it comes to Shiba Inu coin. Now, if you don't feel comfortable holding it, guess what you do? You don't hold it. Don't do anything that makes you uncomfortable. If you miss out on some gains, because Shiba Inu coin is pretty volatile. If it starts to run, man, in a week, it could triple, quadruple in value. We've seen it. We've seen it in October. So it could run at any given time, but there's no, it's not like a hold or die type deal where we're holding it from the hedge funds or anything like that. My midget neighbor just knocked on my door and said, check out Link Crypto. He's a big investor for a little guy. Yeah, what is Chainlink doing, man? I know Chainlink was down earlier, right? Chainlink. No, Chainlink is up today. Chainlink doing pretty well. It was down earlier today. That's what I was saying. 23 sitting at 26.59 right now. Man, bouncing back pretty nice. Chainlink bucking the trend in crypto right now, going from $19 all the way up to $26 just in the last week. So it's a pretty interesting move there for Chainlink. Let's see. Back out to this customized view. A Disney MCU plus NFT equals money. Just using my imagination. Michael, we need to continue using our imaginations, man. I just hope it's less than 5 years with AMC. Oh, yeah. Corey, me too, man. Me too. Not AMC. Something. Anyone. Dr. Artism. Only whales know about inventors. Bro, is it a good time to buy more Shiba or just wait for another wave? So, Pedro, that's a good question, man. It would be a good time to buy because we are at support, okay? Now, personally, this is me because the news is going to point to a couple of different things here. COVID being a risk and inflation being a risk. Personally, I think inflation is a bigger risk at this point than COVID is. And you know what, guys? I want to test something too because I know we don't have any ridiculous debates or anything on here, but now that I'm thinking about it, I would say probably 10 of my last 12 live streams. 10 of my last 12 live streams are restricted ads, and I don't know if it's because somebody's reporting them, or if it's literally because I've said the word COVID in 10 of the last 12 live streams. So I want to test that and see if this one gets restricted. I'm not gonna say it I'll make up a code word. We could call it like the vid, the cove. They might have caught on to the Rona by now, but I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna see in that next one if I don't mention it at all. If that one gets restricted, because very weird that I have to request review for like the last 10 out of the 12 live streams. So gotta use. I'll use some sort of a code word. Right, we have to use some sort of a code word because I do want to test that. Now that I just said that again, it's very weird that 10 out of the last 12 have done that. But I think because this entire week we've been talking about crypto kind of pulling back and inflation and stuff like that, and the different reasons that could be causing the stock market to pull back. So we will test that. And well, I'm not getting banned. I'm not getting banned. It's just the videos they're like demonetized. It says I'm not allowed to put an ad on any of the live streams. So I had to request review for literally like the last 10 out of 12. It's kind of ridiculous. Someone said COVID before it was restricted. It might be, Pringleton. It might be. I don't know. I mean, I've requested review and 2 of them have been approved, but then the other ones are just still sitting there. So I don't know what they're doing. But we'll see. This one, we've already gone down the rabbit hole on this one. We've already said it, so there's no going back now. But we'll figure it out for Monday. Other YouTubers don't use it on their stream for that reason. Code word is Rona. We'll see if the code word is Rona. And it is weird, man. If that is the word that triggers it, that's very, very strange to me. But I think, like, if I request a review or whatever, they can clearly see that we are not spreading any misinformation or doing anything that they wouldn't want us to do. But something has been triggering it, like, a lot lately. Code word blue. Code word is blue. We got to come up. I'll just say code word, and you guys know what I'm talking about. So that might be it, man. That might be it. We'll keep that out. The big C. We got the big C in here, man. We got code word coming in hot. I think we've emphasized it enough now that everybody will understand what I'm talking about when I say, oh, the word that we cannot mention in here. And just give YouTube a little bit more of a difficult time transcribing all of these live streams by going around and beating around the bush. And then we'll test their AI for sure. We're talking about that one thing that we can't discuss. That's the thing we're discussing right now, and that could be the reason the stock market is falling. But let's just bring it back full circle. I don't know if that's necessarily the reason that Shiba Inu coin is falling. I think that Shiba Inu coin and crypto in general and the stock market in general are having a lot to do right now with the inflation talk. So rising interest rates here in coming March, I think that's a lot to, like, one of the major reasons that we're seeing the decline. So I don't know if it's necessarily because of another wave. Surfing wave. A wave that you surf in the ocean. More than $1. Stop dreaming. Do you actually realize how much the market cap would be if they're constantly burning? More than $1. I didn't see you said more than $1, but yeah, there'd be a $500 trillion market cap at $1. And even if they burn 100 times the current rate for an entire year, we burn 1% of the supply. So we got to step up the game, guys. We got to step up the game. AMZ to Pluto. Ahoo! What if we just enunciate the O and we call it Co? We're already in there. Rona with a little twang, like country accent, and then YouTube won't know. Co-Runa. Maybe they might not, dude. Or I could just say something like that, dude. I don't know. So Unicorn Victorian period or the new Victorian period in my live stream. I don't even know what that. Oh, that's what you say? The unicorn period or the new Victorian period in your live streams? Very good, Frank. That could be a good code word to use. Pretty gonna be happy when Shiba hits 3.5 cents would be incredible. Rona, it was not okay. Fauci ouch. Fauci ouch equals okay. Oh my gosh. We don't want to trick the algorithm so bad that they don't even know what we're talking about anymore. We got to at least keep it on AMC and Shiba, and then we don't want them to think like we're just some magician channel. Clay, what's going on with AMC? Excellent question, Pringleton. Thanks for bringing us back. We are above the $23 mark right now. $23.02. It's going to be a battle, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this out there. Are we going to go above $23 at the close today? Max paying $23 per share. We are currently sitting at $23.01. We will have a battle, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a good one. save our energy for the 3 minutes because, shoot, it's looking very nice right now. Looking very, very nice right now. AMC sitting at 23.05. It's going to be a good close. You're going to get categorized as a health channel. I know, dude, and I do not want to be categorized as a health entertainment channel. What the heck is health entertainment? Sounds like a completely different website, if you know what I mean. Biology entertainment. Markel Crypto says Shiba to $1. Oh, dude, if Shiba goes to $1, Mark, I would love it. I would love it. I will buy all of you guys a house. Okay, if Shiba goes to $1, I'll buy all of you a house. With that being said, if in like 3 months inflation gets out of control and spirals into the thousands of percents, and $1 is now worth like half a penny, and Shiba Inu coin actually does go to $1 because the dollar is just trash, please don't hold me accountable, because I need to put in the disclaimer. This is a little asterisk. I will buy, yes, Nick F, you get to pick the house too. I got to put the asterisk in there that all like economic inflationary things held the same. If it goes to $1, yeah, and we got a $500 trillion market cap, we're going to be good. 126 of you guys all got new houses if we get there. But we can't have the dollar go to trash and a house cost $1 trillion. We can't go that route. That's my disclaimer. And it has to happen soon, because I'm also not going to be held accountable if I'm no longer around 10 years from now. Just throwing that out there too. Crypto Racketeer, you are all right. Crypto Racketeer is all right. Daniel Castaneda, glad to have you here. Oh my gosh. All right, we are sitting here. This battle, this is 1 minute left in the day. $23 flat right now. Can we do it? Can we close over $23? $22.99, $23, $20, $20, $23, $23 per share right now with less than a minute left. $23.01, $23, $23. Max pain is at 23, guys. $23.01, $23, $23.01, $23.02. Can we push it above right now? $23.02, $22.99, $22.99, $22.99, $23. This is going to be an interesting close. What are we going to do? $22.99, $22, $22, $23, $22, $23. We are at 23 right now. We got less than a minute on the day left. $23 per share right now. All we got to do is close above $23 per share. All the options expire in the money. We have 23 flat right now. Bulls and bears battling it out. Hedge funds against the retail investors. What is it going to be? $23 per share flat. Are we going to close above $23.01, $22.99, $23.01? This is a battle, guys. This is a battle right here. $23 per share, $22.99, $23, $22.99. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, we're sitting right there. We got less than a minute on. We got it to close. 23. Dude, somebody put a big old buy order in there. I don't know where we're going to settle. I'm showing $23.11 was the close. We may have had a very nice bounce up right there in the last minute. We have to see what happened, but it looks like somebody pushed a very large buy order through at the end of the day to get us to $23.11 when we were trading at $23.01. Now, this price will settle. We have to see if we got it in well enough or if it settles there, but it does look like at this point we will be settling above $23 per share. Amazing close. That was fun. That was fun. I was not expecting a 23.11. I was not expecting that spike up at all. So, very interesting jump at the end of the day there. We're going to have to see what happens with this one. Pringleton's over there saying America. That's what I'm talking about. Somebody pushed it through, Pringleton. Somebody pushed it through. That was a big one, my friends. That was a big one right there. Clutch ape, dude. Yeah, if that was a clutch ape coming through and pushing it above for max pain, that was a pretty nice one. Oh my gosh, that was a pretty good one there. I was expecting 23, like 23.01 or 22.99. I'm gonna be honest, I never expected that one. I just saw the most expensive home in America sell for $295 million. I'll take it. Well, Nick, yeah, man, we gotta offer him more than that though. The guy's not gonna sell and take a loss on his house. We got to offer him a little bit more than that. If Shiba goes to $1. Closed at $23.01. Closed at $22.99. After hours, $23.11. RIP, maybe. Okay, I don't know. This is 23 right now. We got AMC closing here at 23.11. We'll have to see what it settles at. Could have closed at 20. You guys showing 22.99 now? Where are you seeing 22.99 at? Because those numbers could still settle as well. Now it is showing $22.99. Yeah, it did update. So I still think we might have a little time to settle here before we see what happens. $22.99 is what I'm seeing here. Could have been fake news on that 23.11. It did spike up. What's going on here? We need to figure out where we closed at. We'll watch this. I don't know. Hopefully it settles back above 23. 22.99 E-Trade updated real 22.99. Yeah, well, it is updated to 22.99 right now. We still could have a settle above 23. Could take about 5 to 10 minutes for the price to settle. It's a big difference from 23.11. That is a big difference from 23.11. Weeble 22.99. Yeah, we can see it settle in a couple minutes though, guys. What's like Google and Yahoo saying? All right, Google's showing 22.99 right now. Yahoo's still showing 23.99. So, or 23.11. What did I just say? I don't even know what I just said. See, Yahoo's still showing 23.11. I guess we're going to have to wait and see what it closed at. They might be good, Crypto Rockets here. We will find out. We will find out. Chucky Schwab says 22.99. Hey, it could be 22.99. It could be back above 23. We have to wait till the settle close comes in. eToro says 22.97. TD Ameritrade now says 23. Always love Yahoo. Yeah, we're going to have to see what it does end up settling at. We still got another 5. Let's give it 5-10 minutes before we see the settle. I'm on Star Wars Crack Binge so far. Episode 7. Only 5 more to go. I don't know what's going on with Star Wars, man. I never got into Star Wars. I like 23.99 better. Nick F. I also like 23.99 better. If that's what I said, that is my bad, guys. Alfie says, hey, man, love the channel. Just seen a video by the MetaMan explaining why Shiba will go to 0. Could you please react to the video and talk upon it? Alfie. Not really. I did not watch the video. So I can't react upon it, but I can react upon your statement here that Shiba's going to go to 0. I disagree with that. If you could explain why he says it's going to go to 0, I might be able to defend the position a little bit better, but I have no idea what his justification is. Oh my gosh, Yahoo says 500,000. No, it doesn't, Crypto Rocketeer. Be honest, man. What are the chances of my $5 prog calls for January 7th printing? Like they expired today? Devil's Advocate. They're expired? For January 7th? Today's January 7th. I highly doubt those print anything. I think they will expire out of the money. If Evergrande is crashing, why is ticker symbol HGSH doing well? Rndr! I don't have those. Oh, God, that's good. Thank you. Devil's Advocate. You were making me a little bit nervous on there. Let's see. If Evergrande's going to absolute insanity is the opposite of everything we were being told. The one Chinese real estate stock that matters in the USA. I don't know what you're being told about Evergrande, man. And I don't know what the stock is doing. 14-cent variance, but it may affect opening on Monday. To the technical analysis players, I hate apples. It absolutely could. So are we still sitting at the same deal? $22.99 here? All right, we're still sitting at $22.99. Why do people keep saying VOR red? I don't understand what that is. I'm not lying. Someone on Reddit told me, Clay. Crypto Rocketeer, they were lying to you, man, because they will also tell you that I am not cool, all right? And I don't want to be not cool. I want to be cool. Peep, break over later, apes. Boom, Shredder. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon/evening, man. What is then the practical difference to say between? What is then the practical difference between, then say, $22.99 or 23? $22.99. There's not much of a difference between $22.99 and 23 because the options are still going to be bought like at the exact same price. But $22.99, all of the options expire out of the money and all of those contracts are completely worthless. If it goes above 23, those options expire in the money and they are worth something. So that's the main difference between something just closing at $22.99 and $23 per share. Other than options, it does not matter at all where the stock price is closing today. Mark, it's just the volatility, I guess. Do not see what Mark had to say. Why are there different prices depending on which platform? Is there a definitive source? Yeah, Mark. So, and I can't speak for every platform, right? But these platforms, they get their data feed from the New York Stock Exchange, from the NASDAQ, from whatever exchange the stock is trading on. They get a data feed directly from them. Now, there's different types of data feeds that they can get. The price data feed is sent over to them, and then it is whatever their program is and whatever their servers can handle are what translates that into what we see here on the screen. They are running that data feed through their, I guess, setups. And essentially, they should be sending the New York Stock Exchange should be sending everybody the exact same price for AMC coming across that data feed. Now, how they handle it in-house could slightly vary the price. I mean, if you're looking at a settled close there and how many prices or how many trades came over in the last tick of the day and so on. But what they end up doing is, I don't know, roughly 5 to 10 minutes, however quickly their coding cycles through, the New York Stock Exchange will eventually send a settled close file. So once they get their hands on that, everything should refresh. It should be the official settled close and all of that. So depending on, I guess, what platform you're trading on, you could see slight variations between each tick based on like how well they handle it in the data feed coming through. Plausible for Shiba, 200 billion market cap in 2022. A 10x. Plausible. So Neg's the fun guy. I'm going to say yes, plausible, but in order to 10x, we're going to need to see a lot of, I would say, innovation and actual projects get implemented and deployed by Shiba Inu coin, and we are going to need to see the cryptocurrency market turn back around and move to the upside again. I'm going to say it's not plausible if we start to hear a lot of negativity and a lot of risk associated with rising interest rates. I would say no. 200 billion market cap is not plausible, and I would imagine, I would even venture as far as to say that we should expect declines in the price of Shiba Inu coin. If that's the narrative, is that we are in a super hyperinflationary period where inflation is running out of control and interest rates will continue to rise over the next couple of years, and that's how we're going to deal with it. So it depends on several different factors. I'm going to break it down in the simplest form: inflation and, I guess, Shiba innovation. Those two main things could be the drivers for the stock price. Thank you, Claybro. Mark, absolutely plausible. MetaMars to ascent. I don't even know what I forget what MetaMars is at, man. Whoo! Million, billion, trillion. Would give it a $10 billion valuation. No, man. I don't know what MetaMars is doing. I don't think MetaMars would jump to a $10 billion valuation in 2022. I mean, I think MetaMars could jump to a $500 million or $1 billion valuation, but I don't think it's going to go to a $10 billion valuation. Market Watch still saying 23.11, and they are crap. So it's probably 22.99. Very, very good, I guess, observation there, Crypto Rocketeer. Let's see. Don't get me wrong. I personally do support Shiba, and I'm holding, but it's an interesting thought. He was talking about the amount of transactions per second on the Ethereum blockchain and the gas fees. So when it comes to AMC and other companies, they are going to have to charge high gas fees. Yeah, so Alfie, this is true. So if you are using Shiba Inu coin as a currency, The Ethereum network right now is not set up to have coins accepted as currency. They have very high gas fees. You are absolutely right on that. Shiba Inu coin, Ethereum, however, is, I don't know when it's slated for, or if it's even slated yet, is moving over to a level 2 blockchain that is going to drastically reduce the gas fees, and it's going to move from a proof of work coin into a proof of stake coin. So you are no longer going to be verifying transactions based on people mining. You're going to be verifying transactions based on people staking their coins. Now, that's what's going to make it a lot cheaper as well. When that happens, it could be a lot better for Shiba Inu coin. Another note, Shiba Inu coin is moving from the Ethereum blockchain to Shibarium. That's going to be the level 2 blockchain for Shiba Inu, and they will not be using Ethereum to pay gas fees anymore. They will be using Bone to pay gas fees. So that is also going to drastically reduce the gas fees associated with transferring your Shiba Inu coin. So I guess that would be my reaction to that video as to why I don't think it's going to go to 0 based on that reasoning. I am stunned and scared. This should not be happening. HGSH. Well, my friend. $57% gain on the day. Not too bad for HGSH. Can you trade options? I don't know if you can trade options on HGSH, but this looks like a very, very good stock to buy some puts on right now. As you can see, it has spiked up several times in the past and gone right back down. So I do not see any options. So I don't understand what's going on with that. But yeah, Johnstown might be on to something. If you can buy options on this, if it is optionable and you guys want to go out there on Monday and look into that, you know, you're looking here. Zooming out on the daily, you can see several times. One day, amazing gains, right back down. One day, amazing gains, right back down. One day, amazing gains, right back down. Amazing gains, right back down. So if you want to take a little bit of a, I don't even know how big of a risk that is, man. But right there, you can only lose if you're out there buying puts. You can only lose how much you bought. So. Right back down. If it sounds like something you're interested in, I say get started. Frank's our options, man. Frank, can you buy puts on HGSH? It says it's got options, but I don't see anything. Oh my god. Maybe Johnstown just made us all rich. Let's see. Hey Clay, do you like Bitcoin miners? This dude, man. Let's play on words here. No, you're not like Bitcoin miners, Warren Buffett. And I don't like mining Bitcoin either, okay? Mining Bitcoin is extremely unprofitable at this point. Let's see. Thanks for the clarity. Alfie, absolutely, man. Young life, I bro. I had a similar thing happen months back. I gotta look after family first. Facts, man. I don't not see what he said. It's hurt because I promised was not selling a single share, man. Make sure get back every single share. I don't know if there was something. All right, 300 shares on AMC equals at least 500 shares, but tragic hit fam emergency and lost my good paying job. My mom got sick for a while. Back to 0. Just got a job. Look, guys, yeah, man, and young life, bro, man, young life, I bro. Never think that you're like hurting the movement or hurting yourself or hurting anybody else. If you are out there taking care of your life, okay, nobody can tell what's gonna happen tomorrow, man. Nobody can determine what's going to happen tomorrow. If you need to use your investments in order to like make it through tomorrow, please do, man. Please don't ever feel upset about that. You got to do what you got to do, man. If I hit 10,000, if I have $10,000 in Shiba, should I sell and then buy back in? William, man, I mean, I have no idea how much you got invested in Shiba. But you could be asking, you could be, you know, saying you're gonna hit a 10% gain and go from 9,000 to 10,000 and then get back out. Yeah, dude, any strategy you want is gonna be cool. I don't know if that's a 10x gain for you. It's a 10x gain, and you hit that anytime relatively soon. Then yeah, I would definitely say get out, and it's gonna come back down after a run like that. But it all depends on you, man. It all depends on you. There's no like underlying reason why you have to hold Shiba Inu coin. We're not holding for a short squeeze or anything like that, or holding it from any hedge funds. I'm not finding an options chain. Yeah, Frank, that might be why it says nothing. Usually you don't even have an options button if there are options. Just go out and short it then. Very high likelihood it falls. Let's see here. What up, Bullfrog? Who's Bullfrog? Jeremy Schmidt, Bullfrog in the house. What's going on, Bullfrog? And then Devil's Advocate, man, I'm not feeling good about a pop, though. I think we good. Something. Clever, what's up, brother? Darkblade, how you doing? Mitch, oh, me too, bro. Even those ones I had before, I did well on. I made like 80,000. I just didn't sell them when I should have, and didn't realize how hard they would be. They would sell close to expiration. Yeah, dude, it is very difficult. But the thing is, look, man, look. If you did it before, you can absolutely do it again. I mean, clearly, it's an expensive, I guess, lesson to be learned. More expensive than college, actually. And you probably learned more doing that than you ever would at college. So now you got the experience. And you can make better decisions moving forward. Pretty much, I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Ooh, man, this COVID is not good. My HIV is acting up too. Diffy dog. That would not be good, man. That would not be good. Definitely good. I also have 0% option success rate. I feel your pain. Oh my gosh. Mitch needs a green name, dude. If Mitch is becoming best friends with Devil's Advocate, Mitch needs a green name. How's the final 1 minute candle topping off and closing at 23.11? Then we close at 22.99 on Webull. Yeah, I mean, that's a very good question. I do not know why it is not being updated. And if we did close at $22.99, it's seeming like we did close at $22.99, guys. Seeming like we did close at $22.99. Oh, did they? Okay. Yes, they did. Nubis, yes, they did. Back down to the $22.99. My gosh. Dude, where we at? I don't know. Now we're probably gonna have some lame after hours action unless somebody writes an article for the Wall Street Journal again. Click, read my message, please. Absolutely, Crypto Rocketeer. Well, hands up if you were one of the 30% that said below $23, idiot. Hands up if you were happy when you saw $23.11. Hands up if you were right, then wrong, and then right, all in 30 seconds. All of Crypto Rocketeer's hands are up right now. Every single one of them. Crypto Rocketeer has 3 hands up right now. Explain that one to me. But yes, it did close. It seemingly closed at $22.99, below $23. We did like it when it closed at $23.11, and then we were also wrong, all within 30 seconds. So, dang it, Crypto Rocketeer. Dang it. So, I'm listening to DA and Mitch getting options for Prague at $3 and $4. To be honest, I'm tempted to get puts right now. Ooh. I was looking at Prague a little earlier. All right, sitting at a $1.90 something, a $1.92. It is in not a dangerous place, but you are right here. If you zoom out a little bit, get some clarity where you're sitting on this chart. And I don't know how well you guys can see it. You're right in here, man. You're right in here. If you do get some puts, it's not going to be the worst idea ever if we break this line. If you break this little line right in here, then you may see an extended decline down to $1.50. But you're right at that support line. So you gotta wonder, man, if you're gonna get puts, you could be getting them at the absolute low before they expire. If you do get puts and it breaks this line, it's gonna be excellent for you. So, I mean, that's the kind of decision you have to weigh right there. Are you buying puts? Or are you buying calls? If you buy calls and it bounces, you got them at the absolute low. If you buy puts and it breaks through this line, I mean, perfect, because you're probably going to gap and want to hit this next level of support like $1.50. And I just want to be very clear that I do own prog, so I don't want it to go down, but that's what you're looking at there. And you're looking at a very slow after hours. I got hour of Shiba Inu coin at 0.00037 to plow the funds all in on AMC. Boom! You got out of Shiba Inu coin at 3,700. Put the funds into AMC. Very nice, Seth. We have a catalyst event literally happening Monday before market open. Well, then you will not be buying options before that catalyst. Is it gonna be good, dude? Is it gonna be good? Pringleton, that crabby old fart, just wants to watch me fail. No, Pringleton, dude, Pringleton will beat your grandma up before he would watch you fail. It's all right. Alfie, hey Clay, what do you think about Rndr token? I am personally holding. Would love to hear what you think about it. I love your videos, by the way. Keep it the hard work. You're one of my favorite crypto YouTubers. Thank you very much, Alfie. Appreciate that, man. I never heard of Rndr, so just looking at the numbers on it, I won't be able to come up with anything too cool, man. But I've never. Because I don't know what they do. Rndr token, huh? Rndr token. Down 7% today, sitting on a $721 million market cap. Definitely not a small coin, and it has been out for quite some time now. Been out since June of 2020. When did you get in, man? Because if you got in anytime in 2020, you're doing excellent right now. But it is declining. And I know you guys can't see it, but so we'll just pull it up for a second. If you got in any time in 2020, man, you're killing it. If you got in lately, you know, you're experiencing a decline, and it's right back down here testing this level of support right in here. I'm going to tell you, dude, be careful. If you break this level, you might have support at, I don't know, like $2, $1.50, $2. If not, you could be touching prices like 80, 90 cents again. Kenny Trailer practicing dropping the soap. They keep ready. Why would they practice that? Why would they practice that? Bold prediction. 4:30 p.m. We see last night all over again. New Abyss. That's a good prediction, man. It is bold. I like it. Let's see if it happens. I like the Suclay and buy Sundial with my winnings. Dippy Dog. You're not going to be able to get many shares, dude. You're not getting anything out of me. So you're not going to be able to get many shares. But, hey, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started, man. Gold and silver. Timed out DJ Prabat likes gold and silver. Gold and silver is very nice. We will see a little run on AMC by 4:30. Well, New Abyss is saying yes, AMC Trapper. I don't know if we're going to see anything today. Well, clearly we would need some news, if we are. Correct. Princeton got to say, Mitch seems like prog is like AMC, where good news equals drop. Well, dude, apparently we got some excellent news coming out, so hopefully not. My grandmother has dementia and is in a home. I would sue Pringleton for a hate crime and assault and use the money that I win in court to buy more prog calls just in spite. Oh, no. Don't do it. Pringleton, don't beat up anybody's grandmas, man. Hey, Clit. What's going on, Jeremy? Buy the dip on Shiba and go to the party with the bull run. Guts in the beaches. With the bull run, guts in the beaches of the moon. Are there beaches on the moon? I didn't know there were beaches on the moon, man. I'd go to the beach on the moon. I agree with him. AMC Trapper agreeing with New Abyss. Let's go. Let's get a little run at 4:30, guys. I'd be excited for a little run at 4:30. Just applied for a refund on my super chat. Speaking to the manager at YouTube, and her name is Karen. Nice, Diffie Dog. Nice. Hopefully she gives it to you. Blue Pumpkin Inu to Uranus. Well, if that sounds like something you're interested in, Rumpe, I think you need to start a Blue Pumpkin coin. You need to start a Blue Pumpkin coin. Bro, the news comes out 10 minutes after it starts running. Amy, on AMC, like last night or tonight? Which one are you talking about? I love the people who missed the stream earlier now think I'm an OAP attacker. I do not know what OAP is. If I was going to play HGSH, I'd limit buy order 250 and give it 2 trading days. If executed, set limit sell for 325 and risk it $2. But there are 100 plays I'd enter before it. Yeah, I would not buy HGSH. I'd rather play HGSH to the downside from where it's at right now. Happened last night and in June. It started to run 10 minutes before the news was released. Amy, if that's true, very, very strange. It's like the Wall Street Journal's got these news articles. What's that? News articles on reserve, and they just click a button after it starts rolling, trying to give you a reason. You know, it'd be good if you had a bloopers compilation for your daily videos. Like from the live streams, or are you literally saying you think that I mess up in my videos? Diffie Dog, man. You got a lot to learn, man. Those are all one takers. Come on, Diffie Dog, think I got bloopers. This dude thinks I got bloopers. Oh, I wish I had bloopers. That'd be some more content, but I don't have bloopers, Diffie. I don't have bloopers. H.C. Wainwright BioConnect Virtual Conference, January 10, 2022. The pill is so revolutionary. Any news about it should cause hype, as well as hearing about plans in the general is bullish, in my opinion. Nothing but good. Let's get it. And hey, man, it's kind of like we could see nothing but good news coming out on Prague, but the stock might continue to go down because of all the market, I guess, bad news surrounding the market with the inflation. No, I promise, Divvy Dog. I promise, those are one takers. Those are all one takers, man. If I don't like, I can't say they're all one takers, okay? If I make it through the intro, like before I say, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started, definitely a one taker. If I don't know, if my eye starts really itching or something and I gotta scratch my eye, or I don't know if I got a cough or something weird before the intro, I'll start that over. But those are all one takers. Let's see. Darkblade. No, nothing left right now. Don't get any merch right now. There's nothing left. It's not a mess up. He's saying you have a great personality. Well, thank you very much, Amy. I appreciate that. Clay is a pro. He is a one take. He's one take god at videos. Crazy Cajun Weatherman. I don't know if I'm a pro, dude. I just sit there and say what I want to say and then move on. But yeah, if I don't like sneeze or have my eye really start itching or something before the intro, we're good. Bro, you are not getting through Let's Get Started tonight without laughing your butt off. Diffie Dog. I will get through Let's Get Started tonight without laughing. You may see a little glimmer in my eye as I'm thinking about you, but I'm getting through it, dude. I'm getting through it. You may see that little glimmer. The thing is, if I see that little glimmer in my eye, like if I'm watching the screen and I see that little glimmer in my eye, then I might start laughing and I might lose it. But if I don't watch the screen, if I watch the actual little camera right there, if I got my eyes on the lens, you're going to be good. Bro, talk about Shiba, what's going on? Why is everything dropping? AMZ wavy. So everything is falling right now. And this is my opinion, right? I don't know for sure, because it could be a variety of things. But U.S. inflation and U.S. interest rates are seemingly going to be a long-term topic of discussion. Coming up in March, the Federal Reserve expects to start to increase interest rates. This means that people will be able to get more money for their investments on safer assets such as bonds, CDs, savings accounts, and so on. People will be pulling their money out of stocks and riskier assets like crypto if they can earn more money elsewhere. So that's what we're seeing right now. If this is kind of the narrative that they continue playing for quite some time, then we are going to see a continuation of the decline. That is definitely natural. Danelle, thank you very much. Appreciate that. I'm in your head rent-free tonight, Clay, bro. I want the blooper video. Divvy Dog, if there is a blooper video, I will just one take it tonight, and I will like post the blooper with the video, and it's a guaranteed one take tonight, a guaranteed one take. So you'll see if I got a blooper or not, or if you're living rent free in my head. Your viewers may have other feelings about it. James, you do look like you enjoy your live streams. Well, thank you, James. I actually do enjoy my live streams, man. Freddie, our boy, doesn't like the swears, but I couldn't resist after someone came in at him sideways. Had to be done. Devil's Advocate, don't read this. What did Devil's Advocate say? Clay, don't read this. Who's Tommy? I don't even know who Tommy is or what Tommy did. But Tommy did not get a warm welcome for some reason, and I don't know why. I don't know why Tommy didn't get a warm welcome. But we need to talk about the lava lamp. It wasn't on the other night. JB, facts, man. The light in the lava lamp is burnt out. I only have LED lights in my house, and those do not get warm enough to warm up a lava lamp. So I need to go get a new light bulb. You have the light for 20 years, and it never burns out. And then you run it for 10 hours a day, and it burns out. So, guess that's what happens. Clay, your task tonight is to sneak the words Diffie and dog into your videos. Ooh. Do I have to do it do I have to say Diffie dog? Or can I just sneak the words Diffie and dog in there? Diffie's going to be a tough one. Oh, man. Diffie's going to be a tough one. That lamp's only half Clay-Rose age. Yeah, dude, and the light's already burnt out. Think about it, man. Think about it. I got that lamp when I was, I don't know, maybe 12 years old or something. Now it's already burnt out. You should expect it to last longer than 20 years. He called you an idiot. Dang it, man. Come on, Tommy. Got his message hidden by a trapper. Her as a person was hidden by Pringleton. Timed out by me, and then Trapper, then Pringleton, and JB, and then I yelled at him. Tommy. I don't know, man. I don't know. Tony Hawkburger's middle finger. That is bad news, man. Mike. Skateboarding or doing what? They can be separate, as they are tricky. Perfect. I will try. If I don't get it, it's alright. Speaking of the daily videos, why is the old desk being used and not the prison cell? Clearly because the background in the old setup there is much better than what we currently got going on here. So that would be why. But this computer is much better. And when I do the videos, I just use my phone. Each night you should reference somebody. Pringle ton. I could slip that one in there. Pringle ton. Skating an empty bowl. Gotcha, Mike. It's dangerous, man. Mitch, on my wall, you know I'm not the man in stream, right? Might be. Ever go, fellas? A little dippy dog, yes. Nobody calls the bro names. We seem to be in Dirty Dancing simulation. Welcome to the Matrix. And these guys can call me names if they want. I didn't even see it. Dude. Tommy, why do you think I'm an idiot? You disagree with me? Or gotta watch. I gotta make sure I don't kick my. I gotta make sure I don't pull an Adam Aaron here and kick my camera over. It's the prison look. Have you guys ever been to prison? Because I swear this does not look like I'm in prison right now. A good time to buy a couple million Shiba. That one dude could be an excellent time to buy a couple million Shiba right now. In all honesty, it could be. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 29.14 right now. Really holding up well at this level here. Now, as you guys can see, we've been declining very nicely since October, reaching 8,800 points per coin. And we are sitting down here at 2,900 points per coin right now. And we get a very strong level of support that developed in this area right here. We tested it once, bounced right off. We are testing it again. So if you do believe we will bounce off this level of support, could be an excellent time to buy Shiba Inu coin. If you do not believe that this level of support will sustain, don't buy. That was easy. Don't buy. Oh, we see it clear, bro. You see the corruption at market close with the price? Ryan. Dude, yeah, I don't know if it was corruption or what, but I don't know how they got that last order of the day in. It's 22.99 when 23.11 should have been the last order of the day. I don't get that part, man. But Hawk got a sweet ring endorsement after he wrecked his finger. Dude, did he really? That's kind of worth it then. You can at your own risk. Tommy can answer you, Clay. We took care of him. Nice. Sorry, Tommy. Hey, bro, if you wouldn't mind, as this is a Q&A, could you talk about your background and when you get into investing? I love hearing people's stories about what began their spark. So, Alfie, that is a very good question, man. And I do respect that question. But I want to say no. So I'm not going to talk about my background. I do not want anybody on the internet to ever hold me up as anything other than a guy on YouTube. All right? And I always say, if I say something and it makes sense to you, perfect. If I say something and you learn something, perfect. If I say something and it challenges you to go out there and like verify whether I'm right or wrong, perfect. But I do not want anybody to rely on anything ever said in here as financial advice. So just think of me as an adult entertainer. You guys are adults. This is financial entertainment. So hopefully you are entertained. Simple as that, man. I'm 19 years old. My goal is to become a millionaire by 30. Alfie, I think you can do it. I honestly think you can do it. If you don't give up, you stay passionate about it, I absolutely think you can do it. If Clay dies, I'm getting his ashes and put in my lava lamp. Also, I will be the next of kin for Chip Bro and will inherit Clay's portfolio. A Diffie Dog. No. Although that is a pretty cool idea for ashes. It's better than an urn, man. A lava lamp, that's actually pretty cool. I do like that idea. That might be a $1 million idea. There's some creepy people out there that would like that. I think lava lamps are cool, so I think that might be cool. I love adult entertainment. Mike! Well, perfect then, man. You're good. Google just recommended an article, How to Install Shiplap. Nice. Nick F. It's very simple, man. You put one board on the wall, you put the next board on the wall. You put the next board on the wall. You put the next... A very, very simple process. I'm telling you that right now. Very simple process. He keeps missing it. About to super chat him upside. Is there a guy named Upside? Or I missed yours? I missed Frank. I missed a thing from Frank. Oh, clever. If you die, get cremated, you can have your ashes put in an hourglass and still participate in family game night. No, that is also not happening. There's no such thing as family game night, man. Especially not with an hourglass timer. Entertain me, fool. Hey, bro, what's going on? Luke, how you doing? Alfie, buy AMC and be a millionaire by 20. Pringleton just dropping the mic on that one. Devil Advocate, I hope it's good stuff. I'm going to buy more shares in After Hours. Very nice, Mitch. Well, maybe not more. I'm already pretty in deep. Yeah, Mitch, don't go in deeper than you need to, man. Don't go in deeper than you need to. Do you think Sadamask will actually launch at this time? That one dude, I actually have no idea. So I don't follow all of the news. I don't think I follow any of the Sadamask guys or the Saitama guys on social media. So I don't know what they have going on. And I don't know what the problem was last time that they were trying to launch it. If it does, there was a lot of hype surrounding it last time. If there's the same amount of hype, it could do very well. Steve Raven, bro, how am I not speaking English? What did I say that's confusing? Steve Raven, I do not know who Steve Raven is or what he says. Bro, do you think I should sell Shiba? I bought it at 29, 140 million shares. I have a feeling we're going to see the biggest fall on all crypto. So, Ames, if you have that feeling, then yes. Don't hold it if you think it's going to go down. Right? If you honestly think that it's going to go down in price, just either cut your loss and get back in at a lower price, or I don't know, just get out of it. If you think it's gonna go down, you gotta buy stocks when you think they're gonna go up. You gotta sell stocks when you think they're gonna go down. Same deal with crypto. Now, like I say, AMC is different, okay? Because I do think that AMC could retest the $20 level again, but I'm not selling it because I really don't want the hedge funds to get any of my shares. AMC is it's just a little bit of a different play here than a normal stock or crypto or anything like that. So please don't hold it if you honestly think it's going to come down. Because I can't tell you if it's going to come down or not. I can't confirm anything that's going to happen in the next minute, in the next year. Says, bro, doesn't get time off for the family game night? Heck no, Pringleton. This is kind of weird, but if Clay dies and gets cremated, I can see Lawrence smearing herself. That would deserve a TikTok video, yes. But that would definitely be weird, guys. That would definitely be weird. I don't see that, but, maybe planting a nice rose garden or something, and I'd be used as fertilizer. Guys, Prog will hit $4 by March. I've been doubling down since I heard this news. I do not see Prog not having the chance to hit $4. So what I'm trying to say is I definitely think Prog has the chance to hit $4 again. AMC is not like other girls. AMC is definitely not like other girls, man. You treat her different. All stocks and crypto will rebound soon. Best time to be investing is right now. Well, it's in Sergeant Baloney. I'm going to tell you, it's very strange to me that when the stock market is going down right now and the crypto market is going down, there is a drastic difference in the amount of people that engage with videos, watch videos, and hang out on the live streams and so on. But if you can be buying when the price is cheap, you're sitting right now and it's 2/3 the price that it was just a couple of months ago. I don't understand why people just want to give up when it's down and they want to go all in when it's high. I understand the excitement. I understand that aspect. But that is just proof that not only is FOMO real, there's kind of no logic. If any of you could have gone and bought back in 2009 when everything was hammered after the 2007, 2008 financial crisis, that would be the time to buy. Even if you bought in 2007, you're still killing it now. You waited a long time. But there is a drastic difference of people who are willing to take advantage of dips and buying opportunities. Good. You keep it real, unlike other YouTubers that Rico guy. He's so full of it and made a clickbait video saying AMC blows up this week. Called him out and he deletes my messages. Never change, Clay bro. Omar, I would change my clothes. Not that often, but I will change my clothes. Go with your gut feeling and doing your own research, own decisions. I invest money I was wasting on cigarettes, so I'm willing to hold it until dude, there you go, man. There you go. And look, in all honesty, I don't even know what cigarettes cost these days, but dude, if you were smoking a pack a day, you will be a millionaire over a working lifetime if you would just invest the money that you would have bought cigarettes with. It is guaranteed that you hit millionaire status. So yeah, if you guys got any, habits like that where you go out and spend $5 a day on something, then you will clearly be so far ahead of the game that it's not even funny. Divvy Dog, Benjamin is like 3, Araj Boy is like 5, Nala is a little over a year, and Dottie is 12 weeks. I think we're talking about dogs and cats right now. Thanks, I'm currently on the phone to the feds. Be right back. Clay, it just chose the most cryptic and hard to understand way of saying he believes in frog. That's why, yeah, the devil's advocate, that's why I had to rephrase it to mean that I definitely see it as the possibility of hitting $4 again. Oh my God. I did choose the most cryptic way to say that. Nobody wants to buy the dip. They will FOMO every time. I don't get it. Buy something you have conviction in and risk management on speculative stocks. Luke, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, it's not like just putting their money where their mouth is either. It's the fact that they don't even want to be involved with it whatsoever. And, you know, you guys can look at my views if you want to use them as an example, but like to use Matt Kors as an example. That dude had 75,000 plus people in his live stream hanging out during the AMC run-up back in June. Now, I know he was getting on Fox News and things like that too, but there is just a swarm of people that come in when things are running. And imagine if they were buying right now instead. Or imagine if 3 weeks earlier they were buying when things were cheaper. It's very strange, man. And it's hard. It's hard to see some of Matt's videos getting hundreds of thousands of views to then single digits. And same deal, man. Shiba's running up. I had a video on Shiba Inu coin, got 200,000 views. Now, if I break double digits, it's like, oh, man, okay, well, there are some people out there. So it's strange that everybody just leaves when the stock price or the crypto price is down. I'm telling you, if they stayed, they would be much better off. They would be much better off. And my money would be where my mouth is if I still had money to buy the dip with. Chris, man, I'm not saying that you always got to go out there and buy the dip, right? Because look, Chris, you're here. You're here. That's the difference, dude. That's the difference. In whether or not like this is your last dip that you ever see, this is your last buying opportunity, I don't know. But you're going to know how the dips feel. You're going to know how the rips feel. Other people are only going to know to buy when it's rising because that's the only thing they ever do. You're going to have that foundation to say, well, you know what, man? I actually wasn't that upset as it was going down. I made the plan to get in. I got in. I wanted to stay in, so I stayed in. I'm still here. I'm still alive. I can still invest tomorrow. And then one day, when you can buy dips, or if you choose to buy dips, or whatever the deal is, you're going to have that experience that these other people don't have. So you're going to be very well off, man. Let's see. Since I'm in college and only work part-time, I invest $5 a day into a good company that is on a red day, but I hold a lot of AMC. Aaron, yeah, absolutely, guys. And look, $5 a day? $5 a day is not going to change your life overnight unless you buy a $5 crypto and then it literally like 1,000Xs or something. But $5 a day over a long period of time, if the kid's in college, is going to be an amazing foundation. Amazing foundation. Let's see. A video on Shiba Inu was 3. Dude, you think you wish that video on Shiba Inu was 3 takes, man? I did 2. I did 2 takes that day. One on Robinhood and one on Shiba Inu coin hitting a penny. I believe the one on Robinhood busted 150, and the one on Shiba Inu hitting a penny busted 200. Both in the same day. Both one takers, Mr. Diffie. Clearbro, do you have a list of folks' sites you listen to for info? So, Freddie. Not really, man. I don't sit there and here's the deal, okay? It's not like this is the first time I've ever thought about investing or anything like that. And I'm not sitting there really listening to other people's opinions on stocks. I've done that in the past, right? I've listened to a lot of different people. I've never really read anything. But I don't have a list of like go-to people that have excellent advice. I prefer to go out there, like read different Investopedia, man. I really like Investopedia because you can pretty much learn whatever you want to learn and then make up your own mind on Investopedia. So that's the place that I really I'd say go to if you want to read something. And then, like I always say on here, man, fun fact, Clay can't read. I can read in small quantities. If the words are small and there's not a lot of words on the page, I can read in small quantities. But that's what I always say on here, man. You know, it's great to get my opinion on something. It's great to get these other guys' opinions on something. If you're, watching TMI, Short the Vigs, Trey, Matt, whatever, like whoever you guys watch, right? It's great to get their opinions too. But you have to make your own path and create your own idea and your own plan and your own opinion on whatever it is. Not only because you just, for a couple different reasons. One, if you don't do that, you're going to rely on somebody else to make your decisions for you. And even if you have a ton of money, if you're always relying on somebody else to help you generate more income, you're not. That's not financial freedom. That's not financial independence. You're still relying on somebody else. But if you ask the questions, you finally feel confident, if you start to make your own decisions, even if that decision fails and you realize you got to tweak it and move on again, then the fact that you're making your own decisions and able to generate income off that is independence. Freddie, you're number one. Freddie's number one. Freddie's number one. Thank you very much, Freddie, for the number one super sticker there. Really appreciate that. Freddie's number one, dude. Not me. You're number one, Freddie. You're number one. I can read poems. Boom. What's mine say? What's mine say? Sergeant. What's my poem say, man? Is it lame? Is it good? Let me know. Screenshot it. Boom. All right, you can screenshot that and then bring it back. Heck yeah, man. That's why I'm emailing fitness influencers trying to discuss Prague. Everyone thinks it's dumb, but I don't care. It's eye-opening and a huge avenue, and it could go down, and Rocket believes in me. Dude, if Rocket believes in you, Rocket believes in me, too. That right there is enough to take you to the next level. If Rocket believes it, Rocket, if you're in here, what's going on, man? If Rocket believes in you, you've got what it takes to go to the next level. Backed on that one. I'd rock $5 a day in PSEC and reinvest the dividend. There you go, man. Not financial advice. It's true, though. It's true. And see, I might have a more conservative approach on some things to other people. Other people might have a more conservative approach on things than I do, and so on. Nobody, like you and I, are not the same. You and I are not going to feel the same about investing. You and I are not going to have the same dreams and goals about investing. We're not going to have the same risk tolerance when it comes to investing. It's completely individual. Heck, man, I saw that one. I have an extra 400 to invest since I quit. $400 a month to invest after I quit smoking 3 months ago. 15 packs of cigarettes in Canada. 15 a pack. Oh my gosh, $15 per pack of cigarettes in Canada. Wow. Wayne James Burchard, man. Congratulations. Seriously, congratulations. I don't think that smoking is a good habit. I mean, it's clearly not healthy, and it is expensive. So, congratulations on that. Clay, I saw the Moon Carl put a tweet this morning saying he was buying more Bitcoin. I've never seen him get so much abuse. Everyone's saying buying with their money they lost on cost. Yeah, man. Yeah. And that's the thing, dude. That's the thing. If I expect it too. Like, if I say that I bought Metapets, which I did, and you guys go buy Metapets and it goes down, I expect some people might be upset. But here's the deal. That's why you always have to, because I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable with the decisions I make, even if I lose money on them. But I'm comfortable with the fact that you guys are making your own decisions. And that's one of the reasons. We might have less people in here than some of the other live streams, some of the other chats, and so on. But I truly believe, man, that you guys, and I know some of you mess around, like Diffy Dog, he likes to give me a hard time sometimes, and Wrestlers likes to have some fun, and Mr. Enormous, you guys like to have fun. But I truly believe that you guys are, you're mature, you're comfortable with the decisions you make, and it does, it shows through that even if we go out there and we buy something, and it does go down, nobody's like, oh, you're an idiot, man. I'm right here too. I'm losing money on Shiba right now. I'm making money on AMC because I got in last year. But I'm down on Prague too. I still think Prague can bounce from here, but I didn't go out and buy a house worth of Prague or anything like that. So I can still bring my average down on that. It's just you gotta be comfortable with what you're doing and confident with what you're doing. Hey, AMC driver, who's the we here? I don't know. Clay, bro, I've been looking at Warrior Alliance crypto games, signed up for the private and public watch list for the first round of NFTs. We'll let you know how it goes. Frodo, perfect, man. Frodo's our NFT gamer, or our crypto gamer over there. We gave him that designation a while ago to see which crypto games are the best. Keep posting on Freddy. The Genesis Mint is coming out. Very nice. Only you can decide what you invest in. Crypto Rocketeer, man. Exactly right. I didn't push that button for you. I'm not a hedge fund. If you put your money with a hedge fund, they're pushing that button for you. So I didn't push that button. I watch other streams, but I only donate money here. Wayne James Bouchard, man. And look, guys, you know, like the super chats, I love the super chats. They are a lot of fun. So, like, don't ever... I know some people get upset with other people sending super chats and stuff, but we are having a lot of fun here. And Wayne James Bouchard, man, sincere thank you. Really appreciate that. Check out MicroPets. You know what, Freddie? I think I did look at MicroPets a while ago. I think I did look at MicroPets. MetaPets, MicroPets, all these little... Everybody wants a pet. Yeah, I have seen this one before. MicroPets up 1% today. How's the volume on this bad boy? Ooh, really popping back down after running up in November. $9 million being traded today. Hey, MicroPets is a pretty big mover. With $9 million being traded today. Shoot. A lot of zeros on this bad boy. Market cap of only $14 million. It could come down a little bit more, okay? Acting like a lot of the other cryptos. Pulling back since November. It did have a little bit of a bounce a couple of days ago. Maybe last week. And pulling back a little bit again. You could see it bottom out. You might, if we continue to pull back with crypto, shoot, you might be able to get a buying opportunity that you had back here in October. Devil's Advocate, my mandatory weekly payment. I'm not making you pay any. Devil's Advocate, thank you very much. I'm glad. Devil's Advocate is the only one that has the mandatory weekly payment, guys. Everybody else, you're off the hook. Devil's Advocate, yes. Thank you very much, man, for the super chat. AMC Trapper says, I can't start my weekend right if I don't see Clay eat a banana. Everybody else, close your eyes. AMC Trapper, this one's for you, man. Ooh, with the slow peel. With the slow peel, too. Guys, I'm telling, warning, close your eyes. AMC Trapper, lick and stick, just for you. Eye contact, man. AMC Trapper, thank you for the banana. Wayne James Bouchard, man. Boom. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Thank you guys so much, man. Thank you guys so much for the super chats. Absolutely appreciate you. Now, I know for a fact AMC Trapper is going to be starting his weekend off right. Everybody else who didn't close their eyes, I know your weekend's going to start off right too. Let's get, we got another one in here. Good. You have the second best channel on YouTube. Bum. I'm 100% cool if you are the first channel. If you're saying somebody else has a better one, come on now, Frank. Come on. If you're saying you, 100% accept that. You got to be confident in yourself, man. And, guys, with that being said, make sure to go check out Frank's channel as well. He does love to talk about options. He live streams, I think, in between the live streams for the morning stream and the afternoon stream. So if you want to check that out, learn a little bit more about options, he does seem to know a lot about options on there. And let's see, I am an unemployed bum who has to sell my apartment and move into a less popular place in Sweden. Can't afford memberships, can't afford premium anymore. 55 AMC because Clay forced me. Crypto Rocketeer, and you feel good about it, don't you? You feel good about it, Crypto Rocketeer. No, I think you probably feel pretty bad about being down on it right now, but dude, it's only a matter of time before it does squeeze. And Chris, thank you very much for the super chat too. Chris says, super chat, just because rent is paid. Boom, Devil's Advocate, sleep well this weekend, knowing that Chris will not be evicted and his rent is paid. Rent is paid, and I'll always help spread some inspiration. Proof you can't be afraid of the things you believe in. Diamond Hands AMC Squeeze. I love it, Chris. Thank you very much for the support there. Thank you very much for the super chat. Let's get these shout outs going, guys, and start your weekend. Have some fun this weekend, man. We're going to have 2 videos coming out, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Make sure to check those out. Videos on the weekends, all that good stuff. We'll be back for the live stream on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend. Have some fun. Shout out to Crypto Rocketeer. Boom! Dabbing on them like always. Mark, Devil's Advocate, Paul, Chris, Pringleton, AMC Chapter saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. We got Crypto Racketeer, Sergeant, Devil's Advocate again, Luke, Rumpe, Totito. I don't know what Totito is, man. JB, see you later. Thank you for the bro emoji. Frank, see you later. Pringleton, DD214, Paul, Rumpe, Frodo, that one dude, later. Later, all of you guys. New Abyss, enjoy your weekend. Marcus, later, bro. Frodo, have a good weekend. Pringleton, Freddie, Dylan, see you later, bro. Always fun. Thank you very much. Absolutely appreciate that, Dylan. Have a great weekend. Freddie, TMI's Box, have a good weekend as well. James, don't let him tie you up. I will never let him tie me up, man. All right, you guys know what time it is. See y'all, Pringleton. See you later. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.